In this lesson, we're going to talk about the documents that are necessary to business communication. Common types of professional or technical writing include manuals and user guides. These are the documents which contain instructions on how to use a product or a system. Another important kind of technical document could be reports. Reports are the detailed descriptions of research, experiments, or project updates. These kind of reports can be given in any kind of visual data, for example, tables, pie charts, line charts, or any other kind of data that is visually represented and then can be changed into written document. Another important technical document are proposals. Proposals are the documents that outline a plan, a solution, or a request for funding. There are basically three kinds of business proposals, namely formally solicited proposals, semi solicited proposals, or unsolicited proposals. Further in this course, we will discuss all these kinds of proposals in a detailed manner. Another important technical document could be standard operating procedures, which are commonly known as SOPs. These are instructions for routine tasks and processes. There can be two types of SOPs: chronological SOPs or reverse chronological procedures. Some other documents that are very commonly used in office settings are emails and memos. Memos is the short form for memorandums. These are professional communication documents which are needed within a business or an organization. Letters can be another form of technical documents. They're used for formal purposes. They can be used for registering a complaint, inquiring for something, or giving a feedback. At the end of Module 1, we have an assignment for you. How does the knowledge about technical writing help you in real life? You have to try to write one technical document as per your understanding, and later you can compare it with a formal format that we're going to tell you later in the course.